Our little researchers have been working on cheese. Let's see how they explored and learned something new. Our young learners explore cheese and its production process. They are tasting a small amount of cheese. Students are hands-on in the culinary class, making fresh cheese from scratch. They have crafted a cheese dummy and illustrated the entire cheese-making process through detailed diagrams. Finally, they presented their entire process to the audience and displayed their work in the classroom for everyone to explore.